how to clear Snapchat history. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. So on this screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information on Snapchat. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, tap on the section Clear Data. Then, tap on this option Clear Conversation. You will see a list of friends in here. Now, you need to tap on the X symbol or cross icon right beside their names and continue by tapping on Clear. Now, go back, and you can see there are other options you can clear the data from, and that is by following the same procedure. So, just by following these simple and easy steps, you can clear Snapchat history.